We have a nice guest here. See who's my guest. I have a guest here. Look what I have. Make your garden great again. It's so cute. I love you. Thank you for watching. Hello. That's so cute. Our special guest. Make your garden great again. Is this so cute? Love you. Love you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for the beautiful day.
Please continue to watch with me as I share with you about maple trees. Maple trees symbolize balance, offering, practical magic, promise, longevity, generosity, and intelligence. The maple syrup produced from these trees was an important food source for Native Americans and has come to represent success and abundance. Maple tree has a special meaning spiritually. The ancient symbol of the tree has been found to represent physical and spiritual nourishment, transformation and liberation, union and fertility. They are seen as powerful symbols of growth and resurrection. In many of folks' religions, trees are said to be home of spirits. Maple tree has brown bark that is smooth in young plants and rough in older plants. Dense and fibrous root system prevents growth of the nearby plants. Leaves are divided in 3 to 9 lobes. They are oppositely arranged on the branches. Japanese maple tree associated with peace and serenity of the world's elements. Japanese maple tree represent balance and practicality are called Kito in the Japanese language, which means calm, rest, or at peace. The average lifespan is only 80 to 100 years. The oldest ones may reach 200 years of age, but this is the extremely rare. However, red maples can start producing seeds at just 4 years old. Hard maple is currently used for furniture, cabinets, decorative woodworks, flooring, veneers, cutting surfaces, bowling pins, utensils, and bowls. Ideal for ballroom and gymnasium floors, as well as cutting boards and countertops. We think of fiddleback maple as the wood of choice for violin makers. Most important of all, the sugar maple has amazing color. In the spring and summer, the leaves are a shade of rich green that develop shades of gold, orange, and red during fall. This tree has 3 different traffic stopping colors every spring, causing it to stand out as the prettiest tree on the block. Maple is an important food source for wildlife. The wood of maples varies among species and is generally light in color. Maple wood is used for furniture, flooring, woodwork, plywood, and firewood. Most species produce sap that can be used to produce sugar. Are Japanese maples good luck? Legends say passing a young child through the branches of a maple tree is thought to encourage good health, longevity of life, success, and abundance. Some said after the years of playing under Japanese maples, when they were a kid and sitting beside it as an adult, they are full of good luck for a quiet sometime. Is Japanese maples expensive? The Japanese maple has no flowers to speak of. It is not a reservoir of life for native pollinators. It is somewhat expensive to buy and is slow to grow. Every garden should have one. What animals live in maple trees? Other mammals that consume maple species include moose and snowshoe hares, which browse on the twigs and foliage. Red squirrels, gray squirrels, eastern chipmunks, and flying squirrel feed on its seeds, buds, twigs, and leaves. Which maple has the best fall color? Red maple is one of the best named of all trees, featuring something red in each of the seasons, buds in winter, flowers in spring, leaf stalks in summer, and a brilliant foliage in autumn. A maple tree, a strong wood. As you may have guessed by now, maple wood is strong. In fact, maple wood is a second in hardness only to hickory wood. This makes it a natural choice for many. Many different types of flooring. Maple is the second most popular choice for hardwood floors in the United States, just behind oak. Is maple hard to work with? Color appearance? Unlike most other hardwoods, the softwood of hard maple lumber is most commonly used rather than its heartwood. Workability: fairly easy to work with both hand and machine tools, though slightly more difficult than soft maple due to hard maple's higher density. How much sap will a maple tree produce? On average, a top maple will produce 10 to 20 gallons of sap per top. And as long as a tree remains healthy, it should continue to produce sap for years, if not decades. In fact, some trees have been producing sap for more than 100 years. Can maple wood be used outdoors? Maple wood is a good choice for indoor furniture. Natural resistance to decay and insects makes some types of wood especially well suited for use in patio, furniture, and other outdoors structures. It's best to choose more suitable woods for outdoor furniture and leave the maple inside. I hope you like this video and I thank you for watching. If you like this, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you all. Till next. See you soon. God bless us all. Thank you.